Welcome to the Adhikari training for opening a savings account with NSDL Payments Bank conducted by Spice Money. In this training, we will learn about savings account, how to open a savings account with NSDL Payments Bank and what are its benefits, some additional important things to remember while opening this account for your customers. Let's find out what a savings account is. A savings account is a basic account type that allows you to securely deposit your money in the bank, providing safety and access insurance whenever needed by your customers. Customers can withdraw their money digitally or personally at any time. The following are the benefits of opening a savings account for your customers with NSDL Payments Bank. Without any documents, customers can instantly open their savings account with NSDL Payments Bank with the help of you Adhikari. There is no need for customers to maintain any minimum balance in this account. There are zero non-balance maintenance charges in this account. Customers will receive an Insta kit containing a debit card and a welcome letter. Any Indian citizen residing in India who is 18 years of age or older can open this account. Customers will need to deposit a specified minimal amount for opening this account. When a customer opens a savings account with NSDL Payments Bank, they will need some essential documents such as the customer will need a valid PAN card and Aadhaar card, and they must link their mobile number with their Aadhaar number. It is essential for the customer's address on the Aadhaar card to be correct because it will be used for all communication related to banking. Most importantly, the customer's name should match on both the PAN card and Aadhaar card. Ensure that the customer has an active mobile number and also has a smartphone so that they can use the NSDL Jiffy app and manage their account funds. It is essential for the Adhikari to have a biometric machine to open this account. The most important thing is that the Adhikari must have their current account open in NSDL Payments Bank for the eKYC process. The process of opening a current account is the same as savings bank account opening process. This is a one-time process. If you already have a current account with NSDL Payments Bank, please share that information with the customer care team, after which you will be able to use this service. Let's now learn how you can open a savings account for your customer in the NSDL Payments Bank. Log in to the Spice Money Adhikari app with your user ID and password. Tap on the Open Account tile available in the NSDL Banking Services. You can learn about the features of savings account here. You can check what is required to open this account. You can check the account fees and charges. Additionally, frequently asked questions can be seen here. Tap on Open a Bank Account. Enter the mobile number of the customer who has come to open a bank account. Tick on I am not a politically exposed person. Carefully read the declaration and accept it. Tap on Proceed. Please note that there should be sufficient balance in Adhikari's wallet to open any account for his customer. An OTP will be sent to the customer's mobile number. Please have them receive it and enter it here. Tap on Submit. Now fill out the savings account form, in which it is necessary to fill in some important customers' details. Fill in the customer's income details by tapping on Fill. Enter the customer's annual income. If the customer has a PAN card number, select Yes and enter the PAN number. Tap on Confirm and Continue. The customer's name as on the PAN card will be auto-fetched. Tap on Confirm. If the customer doesn't have a PAN card, take a Form 60 declaration. Select No for this. Enter the customer's full name, father's name and date of birth. If the customer has applied for a PAN card, select Yes and enter the PAN application date and PAN acknowledge number and provide a declaration. If the customer has not applied for a PAN card, select No and enter estimated agree income and non-agree income and provide a declaration. Tap on Submit Declaration. The customer's income details have been successfully filled. Now fill in the customer's Aadhaar details by tapping on Fill. Enter the customer's Aadhaar number and tick the Aadhaar declaration box. Select the available biometric machine. Tap on Scan Finger. Place the customer's finger on the scanner and scan it. The customer's details will be auto-fetched. Verify the details and tap on Confirm. The details of the customer's Aadhaar card have been successfully filled. Now take the customer's live photo by tapping on Click. Capture the customer's selfie, ensuring that it matches the photo on his Aadhaar card. This match is necessary for approval. The customer's live photo has been successfully uploaded. Enter the customer's title. Indicate their marital status, whether they are married or not. Write the father's name. Enter the mother's name. Select the occupation. Choose the customer's income. Input his email ID. Ask the customer if they want to appoint a nominee. Along with that, inform them about the importance of having a nominee in the account. Without any hassle, anyone can transact from the account in case of any unforeseen events. Tap yes or no on the Add Nominee option and then tap Confirm and Continue. Enter the details of the customer who wants to nominate someone by tapping on Fill. Enter the nominee's name, select the gender, choose the relationship between the nominee and the customer, enter the date of birth. If the nominee's address is the same as the applicant's address, tick Same as applicant's address. If the nominee's address is different, tap on Change Address. Enter the nominee's address and then tap Confirm and Continue. The nominee's details have been successfully filled. Now activate Sweep account for your customer. A Sweep account is one where, as per RBI guidelines, NSDL Payments Bank cannot maintain a balance exceeding 2 lakhs in the account by the end of the day. To address this, NSDL Payments Bank has entered into an agreement with Kotak Mahindra Bank to open Sweep accounts. Under this agreement, if the balance in the customer's account exceeds the limit of 2 lakhs, the excess amount can be transferred to their Sweep account with Kotak Mahindra Bank. You should provide complete information to your customers about this and also explain its benefit. Tap on Proceed. To open a Sweep account, obtain the customer's consent and accept it on their behalf. Tap Understood. A nominal charge for opening the customer's account will be deducted from Adhikari's wallet, which you should collect from your customer. Tap on Pay. Confirm the customer's detail and verify them yourself. Accept the terms and conditions. Tap on Proceed. Check the features and schedule of charges and share with your customer. Tap on Understood. Tap on Pay amount for initial account funding. Tap on Pay Now. Accept the terms and conditions by tapping on OK. To obtain consent for account opening, complete e-signing by entering the customer's Aadhaar number or virtual ID. Accept the terms and conditions. Tap on Generate OTP. An OTP will be sent to the customer's Aadhaar linked mobile number. Have them retrieve it and enter it here. The customer's account will be successfully opened. Details of the customer's newly opened account will be visible on the screen, like his transaction ID, customer name, account number, account type, amount collected, branch name, branch IFSC code. Share all these details with your customer. Give declaration. Tap on Link InstaKit to link the customer's debit card with their savings bank account. Enter the number of the InstaKit you are providing to the customer. Enter the last 4 digits of the debit card that is provided in the InstaKit. Tap on Continue. The customer's debit card will be successfully linked to their bank account instantly. You can download the receipt and share it with the customer. Now let's learn what you need to keep in mind while opening a customer's saving account in NSDL Payments Bank. Always ensure customer consent before opening an account. Always capture accurate and complete customer information. Provide the customer with the complete and accurate information before opening the account. Before opening a bank account, please make sure that the customer has a valid Aadhaar card and a PAN number. Inform the customer about the service charges or the fees. Provide the customer with the information about NSDL Savings Bank account features, benefits and charges. Always guide customers on why having a nominee is essential when opening an account and ensure correct nominee details are entered. Advise the customer to check SMS notifications after every transaction. Also inform customers that once a transaction is completed, the amount cannot be reversed. Never ask the customer for a copy of their Aadhaar card. Do not impose any unauthorized service charge or fee on customers. Do not refuse service to any customer. Do not share the customer's personal details such as mobile number, name, date of birth with any third party or organization. Never open any fake or anonymous account at any time. Thank you for completing the NSDL Payments Bank Adhikari Academy training.
Dear Spice Money Adhikari, please keep changing your Spice Money login password from time to time every month, and it is also suggested that the password should be strong enough such that it should have one capital alphabet, one small alphabet, one digit and one special character. Never put your name or your date of birth in the password.